Welcome to category number 6, nursery rhymes. Number 1, in the nursery rhyme Hickory Dickory Dock, what animal ran up the clock? Number 2, the Pulitzer Prize winning novel All the King's Men took its title from what well-known nursery rhyme? Number 3, in the nursery rhyme Three Blind Mice, who cuts off the tails of the mice with a carving knife? Number 4, what object does Jack jump over in the nursery rhyme Jack Be Nimble? Number 5, which nursery rhyme character met a pie man going to the fair? Number 6, what dairy product, more commonly known as cottage cheese, does Little Miss Muffet eat in her famous nursery rhyme? Number 7, in 1877, what nursery rhyme became the first instance of recorded verse in world history when Thomas Edison made a tinfoil recording on his new phonograph? Number 8, in the common modern version of This Little Piggy, what does the third little piggy eat? Number 9, in the nursery rhyme Little Jack Horner, what fruit does Jack Horner pull out of the Christmas pie? And number 10, what TV detective played by Peter Falk was often heard whistling This Old Man while he was closing in on a suspect? You may now pause and rewind this video if you'd like to rehear any of those questions, and I will now read you the answers to category number 6, nursery rhymes. Number 1, in the nursery rhyme Hickory Dickory Dock, what animal ran up the clock? That was a mouse. Number 2, the Pulitzer Prize winning novel All the King's Men took its title from what well-known nursery rhyme? That was Humpty Dumpty. Number 3, in the nursery rhyme Three Blind Mice, who cuts off the tails of the mice with a carving knife? That is the farmer's wife. Number 4, what object does Jack jump over in the nursery rhyme Jack Be Nimble? That is a candlestick. Number 5, which nursery rhyme character met a pie man going to the fair? That was Simple Simon. Number 6, what dairy product, more commonly known as cottage cheese, does Little Miss Muffet eat in her famous nursery rhyme? That was curds and whey. Number 7, in 1877, what nursery rhyme became the first instance of recorded verse in world history when Thomas Edison made a tinfoil recording of his new phonograph? That was Mary Had a Little Lamb. Number 8, in the common modern version of This Little Piggy, what does the third little piggy eat? That is roast beef. Number 9, in the nursery rhyme Little Jack Horner, what fruit does Jack Horner pull out of the Christmas pie? That is a plum. And number 10, what TV detective played by Peter Falk was often heard whistling This Old Man while he was closing in on a suspect? That was Columbo. Remember to score this round out of 20 and join us next for our final category of the week, category number 7.